So, an employee was offered two different raise plans. Plan A is simple. You get your salary once a year, and every year it goes up by $10,000. Plan B, on the other hand, split your annual salary into two payments, one every 6 months. Each time you get paid, your paycheck goes up by $3,000. Now, which one would you pick? Let's take a look. Suppose your starting annual salary is $100,000. In the first year, Plan A gives you a salary of $110,000. Under Plan B, you get paid twice. $50,000 plus $3,000 in the first half, and $50,000 plus $6,000 in the second half. That's $53,000 and $56,000. So together, that's $109,000. So for the first year, Plan A actually gives you a little more. In the second year, Plan A goes up to $120,000, but Plan B gives you $59,000 and $62,000. That's $121,000 total. Now Plan B comes out ahead. Year 3, Plan A, $130,000. Plan B, $65,000 and $68,000. That's $133,000. Again, Plan B wins. Year 4, Plan A, $140,000. Plan B, $71,000 and $74,000. That's $145,000. So from the second year on, Plan B is clearly better, and the gap just keeps growing. Now, why does this happen? Plan A is easy to follow, but Plan B can be a bit confusing. Let's look at the half-year payments one by one. Okay, let's take a look at the first half payments from year 1 to year 2. In the first year, it's $53,000, and in the second year, it's $59,000. So that's a $6,000 increase. In the third year, the first half payment is $65,000. Again, that's up $6,000. And in the fourth year, it's $71,000. Yep, another $6,000 jump. Now, let's check the second half payments. In year 1, it's $56,000, and in year 2, $62,000. Another $6,000 increase. Then in year 3, it goes up to $68,000, and in year 4 to $74,000. Each time, the same $6,000 bump. Since the salary goes up by $3,000 every half year, it totally makes sense that skipping one half year means a $6,000 increase. So, if both the first and second halves go up by $6,000 each year, the total annual salary increases by $12,000 every year. Plan A only gives you a $10,000 raise per year, but Plan B gives you $12,000. So obviously, Plan B is the better deal. But wait, why was Plan A higher in the first year? That's because of year 0, before either plan started. At that point, you were earning $100,000 total, $50,000 for each half year. In the first year of Plan B, the first half goes from $50,000 to $53,000, up by $3,000, and the second half goes from $50,000 to $56,000, up by $6,000. So overall, that's just a $9,000 increase in the first year. After that, though, it goes up by $12,000 each year. So Plan B overtakes Plan A and stays ahead. So if you're only thinking about next year, Plan A looks better at first. But if you think a few years down the road, Plan B clearly wins. It's a good reminder. If you only focus on short-term gain, you might end up losing in the long run.